Hi guys, welcome to a new video. Today we're gonna see how or learn how to uninstall Kdenlive, your editing Ubuntu editing software. I guess this is what I have here. It's a little bit Kdenlive. It's a software which is a bit complicated to use. I won't lie to you, something. It's nice. If you learn one feature in this software, you will be knowing how to use it well. Okay. But if you fail, it's not something simple to use. Let me get okay, let me get this one, the second one. Second one doesn't work, but anyway, let's go to the first step. You can use Software Center. This one. But then when you click on installed, it doesn't show anything anyway. Maybe that's Ubuntu stuff. Then we leave that story. We go to terminal. It becomes sudo. Okay, then you go and say we're gonna take something very simple to do. You say sudo. Already I'm sudo, you don't have to do, but sudo apt -get purge. When you put purge, it means you are going to remove Kdenlive with all its configurations, right? Purge Kdenlive. Hit enter. Say yes. It's not that long. Well, that is it. Let me see. I'm gonna do something like I want to search for it. There's this one here, but that doesn't work. I removed this first one, so that does not work. So what do? You can restart the computer, then you get it all. The reason why I removed it, the first one I did some, let me look for, I'm gonna try to install. Let me install the software again. I did remove it, but I want to install it. I'm gonna say apt. Let me see if I can install it using terminal. Yeah, it can be installed. Said it did. I'm picking okay. If it did, let me look for it. Okay, you can see there are two. This one, I don't know which one is that, but this one is the one I was installing. Look what it did. It did put the settings which were here before. So that's something I didn't want. I'm gonna uninstall it. Okay. Let's say enter. say yes. So the computer to work properly, you're gonna have to restart it. Okay, the second one is gone. Kdenlive. You can see the second one is gone. This is the first one, online video editor, okay, whatever. So this one is the one I took out. So to work properly, this thing, we have to, you can see now it wants to install it because I did what? I did remove it. So the best thing is to now restart the computer to see the best changes. So that's something I'm going to do. Yeah, well guys, don't please forget to subscribe. Also, any software you want to switch off, or you use that command. You saw the command here, this command. So you put your software here, then you say apt-get remove. If you sudo, you don't need this part, this one. If you sudo already, you can just do that. It was uninstalled. Okay, yeah, well, lpn, that should be the thing. So is it clear? So if I reinstall it, it's gonna come with the same settings if I did not restart my PC. So the best thing is to restart your PC, then you're gonna see progress. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video. So that's it. There's nothing else we need.